In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Pax Augusta on your PC. So what we are going to do is opening our Google browser for the first step, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now once you have done this, then we can search up this game at Steam, but don't worry, we are not going to buy it at Steam. We have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the Google browser, quickly search it up at Steam, don't waste too much time on it, and once you are there, search for the game Pax Augusta. Select the game, then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is quite expensive at Steam, €24.99. But don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. The next step is to search up the same game, Pax Augusta. Once you have done this, then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, and as you can see, we can select it. Now the next step is to purchase this game for just €13.75 compared to the Steam price of €24.99, so this will save you a lot of money while downloading games. And once you have purchased it, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to activate this game in your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.